What's up, Hall of Famers? Card Shop Eric here, and I'm with my family. I got my dad here, my brother Ryan, and his kid Graham, and we are up at Shaver Lake, California, celebrating my dad's 70th birthday. We're gonna crack a box of 2018 Topps Museum Collection right here on the boat, on the lake, for my dad's birthday. Wish him a happy birthday in the comments. His name's Bob. Enjoy this boat box break right here from Shaver Lake. Okay, 2018 Topps Museum Collection right here.
Aaron Judge on the cover.
Aaron Judge on the cover.
Now, does that mean we're going to get a Judge auto in here? Huh? So, are we getting votes here? Left to right? Right to left? Which way are we going, huh?
Birthday boy.
Okay, let's go left to right.
Okay, go for it. 4 packs, 1 hit per pack. You're going to find 1 on-card auto, 1 autographed relic, 1 quad relic, 1 prime relic. Have you ever opened up this product for yourself, actually?
I have not.
Have not. Have you ever opened up any baseball cards on a boat?
Never in my life. But has anyone else?
Has anyone else? Hey, comment below if you've ever opened up baseball cards on a boat. All right.
That's it. Just that one pack?
1 pack per one.
Yeah. Pack. Save the wrapper so we can
5
put the
cards.
Yeah, absolutely. We don't want them to get wet out here.
I know.
Oh, my gracious sakes.
Touching on the back. You're going straight for the hit. He's going straight for the hit. Here we go. Looks like the quad relic. It looks like Yankees.
Sanchez, Tanaka,
Gregorius and Betances.
Yeah,
quad relic, numbered out of what?
It looks like 99.
No Judge, but it is Yankees.
Yeah, there's a Kutch.
And there's a McCutcheon blue out of 150.
Oh, I'm liking this already.
Ohtani rookie.
I'm liking this.
That's cool.
Ohtani rookie. That's cool.
I like that.
That's good. Kirsch.
Another star LA pitcher.
Kirsch.
Hey.
That's a boy. And a Beltray.
Beltray.
That's a good
Future Hall of Famer.
Not too
Decent
bad.
pack.
couple of good cards in that one.
I
Nice
think
job.
so.
All right, Graham.
Gentle.
Tell everybody, what's your name?
Graham,
Graham, how old are you, buddy?
2,
No,
2
how old are
years
you?
old?
3.
3.
3
There we
years
go.
old. Do you like baseball?
Yeah,
Yeah, do you have a favorite baseball team yet?
yeah,
Who is it?
and me.
It's you?
To go.
You're your own.
Dobbers.
The Daubers.
Go Dobbers.
So Graham's gonna check out some baseball cards. I don't know, has he even checked out baseball cards before?
I would doubt it.
Maybe not. Don't have my handy
Trusty
box
opener,
cutter,
box
so we're
break.
using our keys out here on the middle of the lake, by the way. While he's doing that, I'm gonna show you guys the 360-degree view. Our cabin is out that way on the point, and then look, just a quick 360-degree view of the lake. This is Shaver Lake, California. One of the most beautiful places in the world. Our family's been coming up here for what, about 4 generations?
I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Something like that. There's the dam out there. This place is great.
You got it.
All right, let's see what's inside. There we go. Be careful with the cards.
Yeah, be
you want
careful,
to be
Graham.
very careful with the cards.
Very
It looks
careful.
like there's a thick
Oh,
one.
there's a. Here comes.
Here comes the hit. It's going to be backwards probably.
Di-
It looks like Diamondbacks. It looks like Jake Lamb. Turn it over. Triple relic autographed card, numbered out of 145 from Arizona
149.
Diamondbacks, Jake Lamb.
Okay.
Hey, nice job, Graham.
Way to go, Graham.
Can you wave to everybody, Graham?
All right, what's up, everybody? Say hi to my brother, Ryan. Ryan, say hi
Hey,
to
what's up,
YouTube.
everybody? Hey, YouTube.
When was the last time you opened up any baseball cards on a boat?
Previous life, probably. I guess.
Previous life. Like we got a prime relic and an on-card autograph left to find.
Okay.
Let's see which one you find.
Ooh.
Oh, and there's the hit right there. It's the prime relic of who?
Out of 35.
Prime relic. Ooh, dual prime relic.
Corey Kluber, Edwin Encarnacion.
Kluber and Encarnacion, numbered 34 out of 35. I don't know if you guys can see that. And a Koufax
Right.
purple out of 99.
Oh, and then we got a congratulations.
Oh.
Ooh, hey, look at that one. Look at that one.
That's my boy right there. Wait, turn around on the back.
Canvas collection.
Ricky Henderson. I'm going to have to add that to my own personal collection, I think. That's pretty awesome. Let's see the front of that card again.
Original artwork by Jamie Thomas.
That's beauty. That's a
Ooh,
beauty.
it's pretty.
Love the reflection in his Oakleys.
Right?
Very cool. One pack left right here. 2018 on Shaver Lake with the boys. Let's see what we get in the last pack. Should be some kind of an autograph card. Wanna see how it's done?
Yeah.
Here's how it's done.
It's the
Ooh, look at that. We got a silver framed card right there. Can you see that
baby.
reflecting in the sunlight?
Oh, baby.
Oh boy.
Oh,
Look
you
at
can't
that.
stand it.
Here we go. Hold that pack wrapper for me. All right, I like this. We're gonna end good right here. We got
That's right.
Trey Mancini, Xander Bogaerts. Here's your Aaron Judge base card.
Whoa!
Cool, huh? Javier Baez,
Oh, that's cool.
gold parallel, and then the hit is, I think I'm gonna flip it around this way. Let's see here. Oh, nope, let's flip it around the other way. Here we go. What do you think it's gonna be? Guesses?
Ohtani.
Ohtani, Kershaw, I'm gonna say, I don't know, Cal Ripken for some reason. Oh, I see a New York Yankees hat there. It's numbered out of 15. Who's it gonna be?
Kleiber.
Pitcher? Sonny Gray.
Sunny Gray.
Sonny Gray, silver framed autograph, numbered 7 out of 15. Can you see that on the camera there?
Yeah, it looks nice.
That's a
Boy, it's
beauty right
glistening
there.
in the sun.
It is shining out here. Nice silver framed autograph of New York Yankees pitcher Sonny Gray, numbered 7 out of 15. Very cool, very reflective. Matches the lake actually. It's like the sparkles off the lake right now.
Sparkles.
Sparkles. That was a pretty fun break, and now, just because, here's a couple clips of me and my brother trying to water ski. Where are we? We're at Shaver Lake. My theme song. Getting ready to ski for the first time in a few years. Wish me luck. Gonna be using this bad boy right here. 40-year-old Maharaja. Look at that thing.
It's pretty. Looks pretty nice out there. It's pretty nice.
Kind of like riding a bike.
Yeah. Any last words before I shut it off?
I'd like to thank Maharaja Skis for making this possible, and Shaver Lake, California.
Turn around, head that way, and if it's still nice down here, I'll just make a circle. It's getting busy though.
Brother Ryan's about to get busy on the ski.
Hey!
Yeah.
That's tiring.
You went even less time than I did.
I know.
Couple nice roosters, touched the water a couple times. What do you have to say?
It was fun.
And there you have it, folks. Fun times with the family up at Shaver Lake. We opened a box, a $200 box of museum collection on a boat on the lake. That might be a first for anyone. I don't know. We did some water skiing. Happy birthday to my dad. Thanks to my brother Ryan and his boy Graham for coming out. And thanks to all of you for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button and be subscribed to our channel. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
Say goodbye, Graham. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.
You want to talk about it?
Took a lot of water up the nose. Is that all the gas you can give it at the top? Line in the water for 1 minute and you think you got a fish already? Let's see. Oh, line's bouncing.
Come on, come on. There we go.
Not bad.
Ooh, that's funny. That's
You really
funny.
had your line in for 2 minutes.
I know. How about that, huh?
That's
I guess
awesome.
you're gonna change the power bait.
That's a nice fish.
No, yeah, that's hey, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. How about that? Ah, well, there you go.